Hi guys, today I'm gonna try embroidering. I'm really excited and I'm ready with all the embroidering supplies. So let's get started. First, for a comfortable setup, let's attach the hoop to the cloth. For that, rolling the screw, separate the two circular parts, then keep the smaller one on the surface and cover with a cloth. And at last, attach the bigger one and roll the screw. And now it's ready to use. First of all, I had made some marking for embroidering the roses and the leaves. And there is no need to use all the colors. Selectively, I use pink and green based colors. You can also use some other colors for embroidering the rose. First, let's begin from the center of the circle and end up the line in the circumference of it. And firmer lines like this. Okay, now skip the first one, go under the second line, then over, under, over, under. Go on doing the same. Actually, in the beginning, I had planned for an ultimate design, but my mom suggested me to try a simple design as I'm trying the first time. So I'm trying the simple and easy one. Oops! Don't try all the three at a time. It may spoil your design. Let's do one by one. By this, I understood that embroidering is increasing our patience too. Like this, I had made 2 more roses. Then let's move on to the leaves. First, put a small line. Again, from the side, come up with the needle and go over the first line. Subsequently, follow the same from both the sides again and again. As like this, I had made a few more leaves. At last, for a final touch-up, I'm gonna put some French knots as a flower bed. Tan-ta-da! Finally, it's fantastic! And guys, hope you would like this video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.